He knows. He wants the candy. Yeah! Good job, baby monkey. Now you can eat the candy.
Candy.
Wow, what is that? Big candy egg? No! It's a beehive! Oh my goodness!
Oh my god.
The bees are angry! Run, baby monkey, run!